Got him. Oh, oh, oh. Come on out of there. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Oh, that's a fat one. Yes, sir, it is. I don't know how the new camera is working out, but can you see that? Look at the beautiful gold color on that fish. I have to wait for the camera to be sure it changed. I don't know where it's at. I don't even know if it's still recording. That's a shellcracker. An edible size, too. Also known as a red-eared sunfish. Got him. Got him. He's a decent one. Yeah, nice. Beautiful fish. Hey, Mr. Mello. Look at that gold on his head. He's gold-headed. Shellcracker. Oh, he's pretty fish, pretty fish. Gold-colored. It's pure gold if you were starving, right? Oh, that was not a good dive at all. Got him. This one's maybe a little bigger. What we got? Oh, yeah, now that's what we're looking for. Oh, Mr. Shellcracker. Oh, he's a beautiful specimen. And they are trying to eat his puke. There he is. Hey. Well, look at the... Oh, there he is. Mr. Giant Shellcracker. You can see the gold on him and all. Beautiful fish. I'm not sure where the cameras are and when they're going to switch, so... Okay. Bye, fishy.